Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is May 30th, 2012. It is Wednesday evening, hump day. We're halfway through the week. And here is your news update for today. Let's go into the watchers. We'll try that first. Electricity generated from water. Major breakthrough in clean, free energy confirmed. Hooray! I believe I've seen, there are some videos on YouTube that shows you that if you take a glass of wire and feed some wires through it, that it does have voltage in it. So it's not a new concept, but that's nice that they are announcing it right now. Strong, dangerous magnitude 5.7 earthquake in Lake Isaac, cool region, eastern Kazakhstan. Smoky haze stretching over China, Korea, and Japan. They're calling it a strange phenomena. Images from air revealed dramatic aftermath of yesterday's deadly earthquake in Italy. Dutch Sense says the earthquake was caused by fracking. Heads up. Dutch Parliament kills ACTA before EU vote. The government will never sign any such agreement. Also, following a series of tremors, Sevilla volcano and Chemkatka spewed ash 7.3 kilometers above sea level on May 29, 2012. Also, weakened slow-moving Burrell producing heavy rains. And let's see if it says where. Southern Georgia and northern Florida. Okay, and let's see. That's it for today. Okay, now let's move on. Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. Let's move this up so we can see it. Growing unrest, preventative alert declared for 3 Costa Rica volcanoes. Supervolcanoes can form and erupt in hundreds of years, not thousands, says new findings. They're talking about Yellowstone. Heads up, they're talking about Yellowstone. Elevated seismic risk due to mounting tectonic plate tension. Now, heads up, I know yesterday at 10:15 p.m. in Southern California off of the Malibu coast, there was a 5.1 that was 5.1 earthquake that was downgraded to a 4.0. And that was yesterday. I was actually talking to people in California when it happened. New RFID system in South Korean monitors what you throw away and recycle. Wonderful. Montreal swamped with flash flooding from cloudburst storm. They show a picture of it, the flooding. Back-to-back asteroids zip between Earth and Moon. And there's a 2012 KP24. Where's the other one? It says back-to-back. All I see is one on this picture. Nope, I only see one. They're only talking about one. They both had the same name. Oh, here's one. Okay, so there was one that's called 2012 KT42. That went by on Tuesday that I never heard of. And then, of course, May 28th / May 29th It was 2012 KP 24. Okay, oh, they're talking about the earthquake. Let's see. Moderate tremor strikes off the coast of Malibu, California. Now, heads up. When I was living in Southern California, in LA, actually Burbank, Max, it's okay. There was a couple of 4.0s off the coast right before the 94 earthquake, before that big Northridge quake. So heads up, keep an eye on that, what's going on. Alert level raised on Indonesia's Spoputan volcano after increased activity. Iceland's Katla volcano shaken by swarm of 14 tremors today. $40,000 displaced by war and violence in Democratic Republic of Congo. Greek bank warns country would implode if it pulled out of the Eurozone. And that's it for that one. Moving on, let's go to SOT.net, Earth Changes. See what's on there for a moment. Montreal floods, heavy rains caused power failures, shut down parts of Metro today. Whatever happened to that warning about summer Arctic sea ice disappearing by 2012? Oh, I guess it hasn't disappeared. Anoka County, Minneapolis sinkhole is growing. Big picture of a sinkhole. Northern Korean farmers cite grave drought, aid unlikely. Update, Italy hit by second deadly quake in days. Death toll at 16 now. And yesterday, hailstorm ripped through Cuttack, India. Capital hit too. And that's it for SOT. Let's go into Japan. Okay. E&E News. Energy News. Shukan Asahi. Fukushima Daini also had major damage from 311, submerged under 4 meters of water. Toshiba nuclear engineer. How much did fire and high temperatures at Unit 4 affect building stability? TEPCO has never released confirmable data. Delay, delay, denied, delay. You know, that's obviously what they're doing. Japan TV. We've managed to obtain revealing, eye-opening testimonies from Fukushima workers. Concern over Unit 4 is spreading. First thing I do after quake is check reactor building. TEPCO email. Possible recriticality in reactor number 2. Cyanobacteria and alpha radiation detected 350 kilometers from Fukushima Daiichi. Author on Japan TV. It's almost as if TEPCO officials are aliens from another planet. Okay, let's go into California. Let's see if they talk about that sub. How come that disappeared off the internet news? Let's see if that comes back up. All of a sudden, I don't see anything. TV. Incredibly, it takes this long for the truth to come out about radiation in California bluefin. So people who have been eating tuna for the last half a year have been eating cesium. See, I told you. Now they have to report on it because the internet is blowing it wide open. Full California tuna study now online, possibly of radioactive contamination, raises public health concerns. Spent less than a month in waters near Japan. Turtles, sharks, birds also at risk? What do you think? Why are these question marks? California TV. Seafood industry CEO advises stay away from bluefin tuna. Worried that radiation could get worse before it gets better. It's not going to get better because they never stopped Fukushima. It's never going to get better. Forget it. It's done. It's not going to get better till it's off the planet. Alrighty then. Don't see anything about that nuclear sub, huh, in Boston Harbor. Can't imagine. Let's just kill that story so now you know. Now you know what to expect. Now you know what the protocol is. Heads up. Obviously someone's watching me because it's like they're like answering part of it that I said. Now, I'm not going to run it, but I'm going to say it. Dutch census reporting tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail across multiple states. Have a plan and be prepared now. Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Missouri. Heads up, check your local news, check everything. Heads up. This was posted 3 hours ago, weather alert. Alrighty then. You have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday. Tomorrow is the eve of Friday already. And we are, wait a minute here. Let me go ahead and go back to my deal here so you can see. We are 3 days down, 2 to go before the weekend. You have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the Wednesday. And I might be posting another UFO a compilation. Take care. You have a wonderful Wednesday. I'll see you again tomorrow. It's every day, isn't it? Take care.